I think both doctors and patients realize that hurricanes are a real threat in Florida and along the East Coast. And those are the areas of the country that are clients of our Florida storage facility. If a serious hurricane struck a building and the building collapsed, the potential danger would be that falling debris, walls, ceilings, whatever, could damage the storage tanks. If specimens are thawed, there's no question that in some cases those specimens are irreplaceable. Adding this extra protection for hurricanes by installing a safe room is not something that's routinely done. People are relying on the integrity of the building that they're in. When we moved to our current location recently, we made sure that the new facility had enough room to provide for some additional structural integrity to protect our tanks. We were able then to find out that there was a company in Louisiana, F5, that made steel storage facilities that protected against high winds, and we purchased a steel container from them large enough to hold all of our storage tanks. Anybody watching that video where they were throwing cars and dropping things onto that tank and blowing up cars would love to do that. The little boy part of you would come out again and say, man, this is really fun. And you could tell that people doing it were having fun. On the other side, it was very serious in the sense that it proved that these containers, structures are very strong and could withstand an F5 type of wind, and also not just the wind, but the debris falling on the tank, on these safe rooms was pretty impressive. We believe that doctors and patients now have an added assurance that we've taken precautions against hurricanes and the damage that could be done to buildings, which could in fact damage storage tanks containing specimens from the clinic or the patient specimens themselves. We have the best safe room available on the market today, and we feel very confident that it will be sufficient to withstand physical damage that might occur from a serious hurricane.